Today we're tackling a frustrating issue when your Windows 10 PC gets stuck on the restarting screen. I'll walk you through some quick and easy solutions to get your computer back up and running. So let's dive right in. If your computer is stuck on the screen, the first thing you can try is a hard reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until your PC turns off completely. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. If your computer starts normally, great. If not, don't worry, there are a few more steps we can try. The next step is to boot into safe mode. Safe mode starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and services. Here's how to do it. First, perform another hard reset by holding the power button until your PC turns off. Then turn it back on and immediately press the F8 key repeatedly until you see the Advanced Startup Options menu. From here, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and Startup Settings. Click Restart. Your computer will restart and present you with a list of options. Press F4 to start in safe mode. Once in safe mode, you can perform some troubleshooting steps. First, try running a system file check. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type sfc scan now and press enter. This will scan for an attempt to repair any corrupted system files. Let the scan complete. If it finds any issues and fixes them, restart your computer normally to see if the problem is resolved. From the Advanced Startup Options menu, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and Startup Repair. This tool will attempt to fix any issues preventing from starting correctly. After trying these methods, your computer should hopefully be back to normal. If you're still having issues, it might be time to consider a clean installation of Windows 10. Remember to back up your important files before doing this. I hope this tutorial helped you fix your Windows 10 restarting problem. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.